Everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how YouTube TV works on Xfinity. So first of all, you need to understand that YouTube TV is not a regular cable channel. It's a streaming service that lets you watch live TV over the internet, no cable box needed. So here I'm going to give you a few methods that you can try with the help of which you can use YouTube TV on your Xfinity device. So first of all, if you have Xfinity Flex or X1 TV box, you need to just press the Xfinity button, then go to the app section, and then you need to select YouTube TV. Afterwards, you just have to sign in on YouTube TV with your email address, and this way you can start watching live TV instantly. In the second method, you need to open the YouTube TV app on your phone or tablet. Then you need to tap the cast icon and choose your Infinity connected TV. Afterwards, you can control everything from your phone. Now in the third method, you need to have the Xfinity voice remote. So if you have it, you just have to press the microphone button and say YouTube TV. Afterwards it opens instantly. Then you can also say the name of the channel like ESPN on YouTube TV, and it will launch it directly for you. So these were some of the methods that you can try to use YouTube TV on Xfinity. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.